Alright, this is the training video for the Blueberry Bramble. I thought we would start with the bramble mix itself, and then we'll move on to the cocktail after that. You're going to start with a large saucepan. You have 2 cups of apple cider vinegar and 2 cups of water. That goes in your saucepan. So this is all equal parts. It's equal parts apple cider vinegar, water, sugar, blueberries. Okay? 4 ingredients, all the same amount. Okay? 2 cups of sugar in. Make sure that you whisk that all together so it's blended and dissolved. Alright, and then add your blueberries. There we go. We're going to put this on high heat until it comes to a boil. Once we have our shrub to a boil, we're going to lower the temperature down to low, and we will simmer this for 10 minutes. Once we have simmered for 10 minutes, we're going to take it off the heat, let it cool, and then send it through a fine mesh strainer, and that's it. That's your bramble. Now we're going to make the Blueberry Bramble cocktail. This one's a really easy one. So we will fill a cup with ice. Add vodka to the cup. Add bramble to the cup. 3/4 of an ounce. Whoops, right there. Add Sprite to the cup. Tumble it once. There you go. Throw a lemon in there and a straw. You're good to go.